Are you a small business owner that serves local customers and you're trying to figure out, how do I master Google Maps SEO? Well, stick around because I'm going to explain exactly how Google Maps SEO works, and I'll show you how to do this for your business in under 10 minutes. In case we haven't met, my name's Sam Sarsten. I'm the owner of Then Can Designs, a lean and mean SEO agency out in beautiful Bend, Oregon, and I've helped numerous clients get to the top of Google Maps, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can do that for your local business. But first, we have to clear up a misconception. I notice a lot of people are searching for Google Maps SEO. And don't worry, I know exactly what you're talking about when you're trying to search for Google Maps SEO. But did you know there's actually a better word you should be using? It's actually local SEO. Local SEO is concerned with trying to rank higher on Google if you have a business that serves local customers. And when it comes to local SEO, there's two things that are really important to worry about. It's your Google business profile and your website. In this video, since we're trying to work on our Google Maps SEO, we're really going to be focused on the Google business profile. Just like it's important to make sure you have the right keywords when you're looking at local SEO videos going forward on YouTube, you want to make sure you have the right keywords that your clients are using while they're trying to find your business online. Let's figure out how to find your keywords completely free. We're going to use a tool called Google Keyword Planner. It's completely free to use, but it is attached to Google Ads, so you'll probably have to enter your credit card. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you start an ads campaign, and we're not going to be doing that today. I recommend just Googling Google Keyword Planner and then clicking on that first result, and then you should be able to set up an account from here. Once you get logged in, it should look like this, and you just want to click Discover New Keywords. Now at this point, you might not know exactly what your clients are using when they search for you, so just try something super generic. In this example, I'm going to pretend like I'm trying to get more patients for my naturopathic clinic. Let's get started by just searching naturopath. Now I want you to notice right here, the search is for the entire United States. Now this is good because now we kind of get like a general ballpark idea of what people are searching for throughout the entire country. I like to sort by average monthly searches and then see which ones are towards the top. It looks like naturopath and naturopath near me are towards the top, so those are probably good guesses. All right, so let's say we're trying to rank our naturopathic clinic in Malibu, California. I know, fancy example, but stick with me. So you're gonna click on the little United States pin right here and just hit that X, and now we're gonna narrow it down by the city. And you can also do it by zip code and by county, so it really depends on what you wanna look for. But we're gonna just do the city of Malibu. Now we're still searching by average monthly searches, and we're seeing that naturopath seems to be around the highest, but most of them are around 10 to 100. So there's not a whole lot of data. That's one of the things with keyword planners. It doesn't narrow down a lot, but it gives us a good starting point. One thing that you could do beyond that is you can also click this 3-month change, and it'll show you the keywords that are kind of trending up. And so you see like holistic doctor near me, alternative doctors near me. Those are trending up right now. And so we might want to look a little bit more at those, but I'm going to go with naturopath because it just seems like the best keyword. Now that we have our keyword, let's actually check the search engine result page, which I like to call the SERP. All right, so I'm going to search naturopath near me. And I want you to see, I'm using this Chrome extension called GS Location Checker. It's completely free to relocate to Malibu, California for this search, because I'm definitely not in Malibu, California. Now let's take a look at the SERP here. Notice at the top you have the PPC or pay per click ads, which have the little sponsored on top. And so if you're thinking of Google Ads, that's what that is. Below that we have the map pack, which is our coveted space that we're trying to claim. And you'll notice that at the very top of the map pack is actually a sponsored result. And so you can use PPC to wedge your way into the map pack. But we're going to talk about how to get in there organically without having to pay Google money. And so the map pack is typically these 3 results. So these people are organically showing up. And then as we scroll down, we'll see the organic search results. And organic search results just means these little blue links that we're used to from back in the day. We might see some other stuff like some ads sprinkled around, or people also ask. But the main thing that we're focused on as a small business that serves local customers, whether it's a naturopath clinic, a contractor, a plumber, a health coach, whatever you do, the key is you want to try to show up as high as you can in the map pack and as high as you can in the blue links. That's how local SEO works. So let's dig a little bit deeper into that map pack because it's the thing that typically shows up first. All right, so these little rectangles make up Google Business Profiles, and this is what shows up in the map pack. But if you click more places, which a lot of studies show people are doing, they'll keep scrolling down and looking at more clinics. So here are the 3 businesses that are showing up in the map pack. And then we have this guy right here, poor Clinton Pomeroy. I don't know him. He's showing up 4th, and he's probably hoping that someday he can make it to the map pack. He's right on the precipice. And so it doesn't matter if your business is ranking 4th, like this guy, or ranking 100th on one of these pages back here. If you're not showing up on the map pack, you're leaving clients, customers, patients behind. The key to mastering Google Maps SEO, or as you know it now, local SEO, is to make sure that your Google business profile is completely filled out and optimized so that way you can show up higher for the local results, which will get you into that coveted map pack space. So if you're not focusing on your Google business profile in 2024, you're leaving hundreds of leads behind for your business. Please stop doing that and let me help you. And if you want to figure that out, watch this next video, because that's how we're going to figure out how to rank higher and hopefully get a little bit closer to that map pack.